racing just started. We have Iwo Jima moving up, my queen, and Oriel Serizarangke, Oroqueta, Blow Joiner, Shanana, then comes Perfectionist, next on is Tibay, ng loob, Raon, then followed over by Don Jaime, while Handsome, Bodman, Days the Ready Trailer, by about 14 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn, we have my queen by about 3 lengths, Arranque in second, then on the outside Oroqueta, Perfectionist, now moving up to take fourth, Shanana, Blow Joiner, Iwo Jima, Tibay ng loob, then comes Raon, Don Jaime, while Handsome Bodman is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have my queen, maintaining a length and a half lead, and in second is Arranque, down on the inside now is Oroqueta, Perfectionist, Shanana, Iwo Jima, Tibay ng loob, Blow Joiner, Raon, then comes Don Jaime, while Handsome Bodman is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. My queen by over ahead, moving up now on the outside is Arranque to take the lead as they swing for home. We have Arranque now takes command by her length and a half. My queen, Tibay ng loob, down on the inside Oroqueta, Iwo Jima, last 75 meters. We have Arranque followed by Tibay ng loob, and finally Arranque, Tibay ng loob, my queen, then comes Oroqueta, Iwo Jima, Shanana, close with Don Jaime.
1, 8, 4, 2. Tapos 2A ba yun?